Thursday, February 1st, 2018. Before we begin, please rise for the flag salute.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey, reporting from Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 52 and a low of 30, and it's partly sunny. Here's a weather fact. 9 out of 10 lightning bolts strike land rather than oceans. See you tomorrow.
Check out the weather, what's it like?
The polar plunge is quickly approaching. Help support the Special Olympics by donating today. Play Unified ambassadors will be collecting donations for the polar plunge during middle school lunches. Remember, every dollar helps and is greatly appreciated.
Are you ready for some dodgeball? The 5th Annual National Junior Honor Society Dodgeball Tournament is set for Friday, February 23rd from 3:45 to 5:45 p.m. Those wishing to participate in the dodgeball tournament must have no less than a C in any of their classes. Teams are made up of 10 students, and the winning team will play against the teacher team.
The entry fee is $20 per team. You do not need to buy a ticket to enter the event if you are on a team. If you are not interested in playing but want to come and cheer your friends on, tickets are on sale now. The price of a ticket is $1 in advance and $2 at the door. Tickets are now being sold by National Junior Honor Society members. There will be food and refreshments available to buy on the day of the event. Come and show your school spirit by supporting a great cause and a great event.
Please see Miss Kindness in room 93 for permission slips and rosters, or if you would like to be on a team but you are having trouble creating one.
The winter clothing drive has begun. Now through this Friday, please bring in the specific winter accessories that your grade level has been assigned. Here's a list of what to bring.
The top 3 winning homerunners will win a special afternoon activity. You only have 2 more days. Make sure to bring in your donations. Please see Miss Sheldon or Miss S if you have any questions.
Mullica's Top Chef Junior competition was last night. The winning chef was Violet Vogel. Congratulations, we will have highlights in tomorrow's Howl.
The Mullica's Got Talent lineup is all set. Here's a list of students and what they will be performing.
Good luck, Coyotes. The talent show will be on March 22nd. Speaking of talent, tonight is the Mullica Township Staff Lip Sync Battle. Doors open at 6:30 and the show begins at 7. Tickets are $5 now for adults and $2 for children. Last year's champion were the 3rd and 4th grade teachers. They sure have some moves. I bet they'll be even more thrilling this year.
Especially Miss Gallagher on those roller skates. And the 8th grade teachers did a great job with a song from my fave Disney movie, Beauty and the Beast.
Sakes alive, that I'll be blessed. Wise with Paul and thank the Lord I've had the napkins freshly pressed. With dessert, she'll want tea, and my dear, that's fine with me. While the cups do this, I'll shoot it, I'll be buttering, I'll be grilling, I'll be warm, I'll be hot. Heaven's sakes, is that a Scot? We want the company impressed. We've got a lot to do. Easy one, not for two. For you, our guest. She's our guest.
Well, are you ready for it? Make sure to come out tonight to support your favorite staff members.
Before we go, we have a special guest from Katrina Applegate's mom, Miss Olga Applegate.
Привет, ребята! That means hi guys in Russian. Today's fun fact, Moscow is the capital and the biggest city of Russia.
Thank you for joining us today, Coyotes. Enjoy your day.
Bye!